Number 6. Object in a path of steam. Utensils of food placed in a path of steam, issuing from meat or dairy foods, may acquire the character of those foods if hot steam comes into contact with them. Even if the steam is not hot and cannot affect the transmittal of the taste into utensil of food, it nevertheless may coat the utensil with the meat, for example, residue. Right? That's the issue, which must be removed through the washing before the utensil may be used for dairy, for example, right? So the steam, for sure, it's like steam, as we said, it's material, and it will leave residue. Even if it's not hot, it does not make any difference. If it reaches the surface, for sure, it's going to stay there. Okay, so let's do practical application and we stop. So it says practical application. One should never hang ladles or spatulas above the stove where they may be affected by the steam of meat and dairy foods. If hot steam, so that's so not even above, but try like if you hang them, like some people hang all of this utensil on the wall, like to the side. How much to the side? To the side, so you would not get the different taste. That's how much to the side. If hot steam from the meat or dairy foods reaches them, they may become treif. Okay, treif meaning non-kosher. Even if the steam is not hot, the residue may remain on the utensils and affect the kashrut of the food used with those utensils. So I mean, it's like if the steam from the dairy can render this utensil, even though it's only above or even to the side, but very very close to the stove, so we can make them opposite, right? It was dairy, now it's meat. Okay, so you must kosher it now. Continue. Number 2. When one adds salt, pepper, or other spices in a boiling meat or dairy food, the container should not be held in the path of the steam. The residue of the steam may remain on the spout, and mix into the salt. And as it is poured into the food of other type, so that's proper if you use this salt shaker or something. So not to have it on the way of a steam, right? Or if you need to do it anyway for any reason, so it's proper to have two sets of salt and pepper shaker, right? One is for meat and one for dairy. That's what many people have. Okay, just to be on the safe side, because it is like you're trying to add salt to your meat pot, so that the steam comes out and it get absorbed into your salt, right? And then you want to add the salt to the milk dish, right? For sure, some salt actually is with the residue of the meat. Of course, it's less than 1/60, of course, but you, in some sense, you're doing like intentionally. Because why? Because we just warn you not to do it. Continue. In an office shared with the non-observant co-workers, one who uses water from a hot water dispenser must be concerned with the non-kosher status of dispenser spout. Steam from non-kosher liquid, cocoa, soups, and flavored coffee leaves a residue on the spout, and mixes into the water as it flows in the spout. One should consult Rabbi, and it's a big issue. It is a big issue. So in the office where I used to work, so some people would bring these soups like in what is it, like in instant soup, whatever they call it, instant soup, and they would put this soup very close to the spout, right, from hot water dispenser, and of course this spout was like covered with all of the residue from non-kosher foods. So sometimes you say like, what is the problem? What is the problem? So it could be a problem. So I was trying to avoid it to use this hot water. So or try or wash it or something, but do not use it as it is for sure. Okay, we can stop here.